Hello. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
And go. And go. Thought about sniping a short here, but probably wait till the open. Right up on this London high. Definitely bullish for the day. rejection, maybe. Definitely wait till the open. Where's that? There. A lot of fair value gaps on the 5 on NQ. But we are super bullish. Probably looked along in this area. 62. Maybe just
spinach, apple, celery, cucumber.
That's good.
Is that it?
Mm.
Yeah.
Lemon?
Lemon.
Mm. Thank you. Mm. Let's see that for sure, 'cause that would be it. Seven. trades. Let's look at I and Q. Yikes. I and Q is bad. That needs to go up in a hurry. Is that 574? Yeah, dude. That looks pretty rough. Especially since the market's so good today. We've seen a rally before, though. Let's look at serve. I don't know. What are you thinking? Pulling on this pullback? Quite a move. 60%. Oh, it's not looking great today, don't you? Wow. Why do we like serve? Just that. Hmm. Yeah. Maybe if she tightens up here. Tightens up. I like to look at the weekly. It's gone before, hasn't it? Yeah, I love that. I love that industry. Good company. Look at. Oof. I don't know. I love PLTR. That's a rough week though. What are you gonna do with PLTR? This move is insane. Might short that up there. Oh my god, it's so overbought. Might take a short.
Order filled.
I'm just trying to short here. Let's see. I don't know. It's very strong. I didn't really want to short it, but it's really overbought. So we'll see if we can pull back a little bit. I really wanted to take longs, but I couldn't get in. I'll probably just take 10 points if I can get it. might put a stop in soon. Just wanted to see sellers really come in, and they're not.
Order canceled.
Try it again. One more push up and then I'll take it again. Actually, I like it up here. Crazy move. I can't get any longs. Wow. Try it again. Oh, I guess we could try to get up. Wow, what a fuck crazy move.
Order filled.
Ted.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Hopefully we get it. But you guys can see, sellers are they're definitely trying, which is a very good sign. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna see what time. I mean, we're right there. We might as well. But the sooner we get to selling, the better. You know, we don't have to wait as long. Also, a lot of stocks are all-time. Yeah, I mean, if NQ and ES are all-time highs, practically everything is all-time highs. Because that's how they move in the first place. More confidence if it sweeps all-time high? Yeah, well, I would still have a lot of like I said, the only thing we're missing from this trade is the selling momentum. So, I would say my confidence is gonna come from the momentum on how much selling we get, how fast we get it, how strong we get it. So yeah, like I said, I don't really care if we take out all-time high or not. It doesn't really matter to me. Because we already took out enough levels to the point where we could reject and we wouldn't know why. So all we need
Order
is just a single
filled.
rejection to the downside and we're good to go. But yeah, let's see. Like I said, we want to start seeing buyers just start weakening up. Obviously, buyers should still try to step in, which is normal. They have the trend, but we want to see every single pullback that buyers get start getting smaller and smaller and smaller to the point where there's no more pullbacks and sellers take complete control. Once sellers take complete control, that's our sign to inverse fair value gap, and we take shorts. Right? So that's what we're looking for. You see how we keep getting selling and then the buying is weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. That's what we know. Like we know it's gonna happen. Right? It's just when will buyers just completely get out of the picture? That's the real question. That's what we're waiting for. Obviously ES is still playing around this high right here. So, you know, it could take some time, but we'll see. We will see. Now, ES does have a 15-minute fair value gap, which, you know, we could use to our advantage, but we'll see. Now, I'm really hoping we can get a seller today. Because all we need is sellers. If we invest, what's the price target one? Okay, now, for the price targets, it's going to be a little bit tricky. We're going to have to use these mini lows right here as our price targets, pretty much. So, I would say, like, around here. You know, nothing crazy, but it's gonna be more of a trade where you can just sell as you want as it goes down. I would say that's your best bet. Now we're about to take out. Oh no, we just took out all-time high. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we can finally get rid of this level. So let me do that. Okay, there you go. So now we took out all-time high. We're in a kind of a zone where it's either we get a trade or we don't get a trade all day. All right, guys. So yeah, like I told you guys, if price holds above the all-time high, I hate to say it, but we're gonna have to call it because there is no way I'm trading anything around this range. All right, guys. So, like I said, if we keep pumping up big time, like a really big pump above all-time high, I'm gonna call it early, and I'm just gonna wait till something comes up, and I'll just start it again. Now, if we can get a sweep right now, where sellers start stepping in, like guys, if sellers were to step in, it would have to be right now, like no time wasted. Sellers right now, right? Because the more we go above, the worse the setups get. All right, guys. So we can't break above this. This is the highest point we can go to. If we go above, I'm sorry, guys, but you know we're not touching it. All right. Yes, will bring us down. Hopefully, I mean we're still sitting at this high right here. We might as well, but we need NQ to sell off right now because we're all time highs. The higher we go, the worse it gets. Alright, guys. But yeah, there's no more liquidity above, so right now would be the perfect time to sell off. Sure, we can go a little bit higher if that's what buyers need. We can get that. I don't mind, right? But if we're going like 50 points above, I'm gonna call it. All right, because I am not trading up here. All right, guys. Why go against the trend? Because that's my strat, bro. If you're new here, then that's my strat. And it's not going against the trend. I'm waiting for my confirmations for a reversal. That's what we're waiting on. If not, I would have been in shorts. Trust me. $50 seems like buyers are slowing down. Well, we're all-time highs, bro. So who knows? Now, if we can create a fair value gap here, I would also use it to our advantage. It'll be an earlier entry. Let me measure this real quick. Oh, it's only 27 points. We're gonna have to pump up like what, like 13 more points. I would let it. But yeah, like I said, guys, if price pumps into like, for example, 750, I'm gonna call it. I'm just gonna come back if we even get a sweep later today. Cause I wasn't expecting us to trade out all-time highs today. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. But yeah, we're waiting for the selling signal if we get it. That's all we need. All we need is patience here. Now, if we're gonna trade up here, we might as well pump up 15 more points so we can create the fair value gap, which will be a lot better because we can get an earlier setup instead of having to wait for this entire sell-off down here. So far we're up 31 points. We just need a 9-point push-up. We have a minute into this candle. Buyers are strong. I'm sure we can get it. I'm sure we can get it. Nearly a 300 point. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. I hope you just sell off in this. Yeah, no, we'll be fine, bro. We'll be fine. We just gotta wait. Are we in? Well, we're not. There's nothing here, bro. We're waiting on it. Yeah, hopefully we can create a gap here, cause if not, we can still use this down here. All that matters right now, guys, is can we sweep this? That's all that matters. We're in a situation where there's no in between. It's either we do and we get a trade, or we don't and we don't get a trade. All right. So, yeah. Fingers crossed. I really hope we sell off here, because if we can get the sell off, it'll be the best thing possible. Now, let's see if we can create a fair value gap here. I mean, we're pumping up still. We have 10 seconds to this candle, so let's see. So far, we're 33 points. 5 seconds left. I doubt we get it. Yeah, no, we're not going to get it. But we could probably still use it if we want to get a really early entry. Now, it's just how much buying are we really going to get? That's a real question. That's a real question. As long as we hold below 706, I'll be happy. That's all we need. We're gonna pump a little bit more, like some more. We're gonna see, bro. We're gonna see. We just need some weakness in buying. Yeah, Chris. Bro, trust me, no one is trading against the trend. Trading against the trend, I'll be red as hell right now. I probably wouldn't even have accounts right now. That's what trading against the trend is. We're just waiting for the setup. Obviously, I'm not gonna be taking longs at all-time highs. That's stupid. That goes for everyone. There's nothing you can target above. But yeah, ES is still showing some signs of buyers, so we're gonna have to keep waiting. Now, if we do sell off, how many points do we have to dump down to get this 80 points? Okay, that's not horrible. We have volume, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Did you miss a trade? No, you didn't. You're good. We're still waiting on it. Would I ever invest? Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's like the one thing I would invest in. Right, 80 points is a lot. In a market like today, 80 points, obviously it's a lot. I'm not saying it's not, but for us to dump down 80 more points, it's not like as crazy as you might think, especially with today's volume. Like, we could see it in no time. It's not like we have to wait 2 hours to sell off 80 points. We can probably get in like 5-10 minutes. For anyone new, I advise you to watch some of the class. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Now, can we get sellers to start picking up here? ES is still showing buyers, so we gotta wait on that. Hey, I passed my eval account on Apex. No, just wait till the day ends. So at 6 p.m. EST, you should get an email saying like, hey, congrats. You know. Yeah, ES wants to keep pushing here. What is 80% off coming back? I don't know. Bro, I know as much as you do, bro. But yeah, let's see. So far, I don't want to say anything, but like I said, guys, as long as we can hold below 706, I'm happy. That's all we need. Hold below 706. That's all. Hopefully, this is not just a little mini pullback and we go back up. Because if we do, then I'm gonna be really disappointed. Oh, okay. Too many buyers, bro. Too many buyers. But what I'm trying to say is, guys, once we get the selling to come in, like the second sellers take the control, we should be good, bro. That's when you say that you only enter off inverses, no, I don't only enter off inverses. I do continuation as well. After we sweep a level, is the level like something on the hourly? Here, this can help you out, bro. Here, well, give me a second. Let me find it. Yeah, no, buyers are way too strong still. As long as we don't push too high up, I guess we're good. But man, right now we're in a spot where it's like we're questioning if we're even gonna get a trade today. The sellers, they're just non-existent right now. And I'm not taking longs. I don't care what you guys say. No one should. This thing is, there's no targets. I got you, Nathan. I think we're good for a setup. No, we're still nearby. It's not really a big deal. We just need, like I said a million times, we just need selling. There's too many buyers. Obviously, with we can't get anything with too many buyers. Patience, 100%. Uh, SJN, bro. I've said it a million times, bro. I am not longing an all-time high. I do not care how good the setups look. I don't care how strong buyers are. I am not longing an all-time high. No one does that. At least from what I know. There's no targets. So it's the only choice we have is just wait for a sign of a reversal. Because we have the whole world to the downside. To the upside, it's just, come on, dude, just long as we know you want to. Bro. Hey, bro, so why would you want the 5 minute when you mark the 15 minute closer to a sweep? The 5 minute, you'll get an earlier entry. We're far enough from an entry, let alone a further one. So I would use the 5 minute. Market hunts liquidity. Exactly, liquidity is being formed up here. That's what the concept pretty much, that's what it's known for. But me, I'm staying patient. I'm waiting for the sellers to step in. I don't care if it takes all day. I'm gonna wait for it. I don't care if it takes until tomorrow. So you're saying wait another week for a chop and take it, bro? If that's what we have to do, then sure, fuck it. If that's what makes me money, then yeah. You gotta learn how to wait, bro. It's either we get it today, tomorrow, who knows? But if that's what I have to do, I've done it before and I'll do it again. I don't really care. I've waited a whole week for a setup, yeah. And guess what? It paid out. If we keep going all time high, we're never gonna get a trade. Well, obviously we're not gonna be all time high forever, bro. The market doesn't just go up. That's what we're waiting for, bro. The market doesn't only go up. You just gotta, I mean, look at this. You see what I mean? This acceleration. Well, I don't. Every time I say it, it always reverses. So I'm trying to avoid saying it. If you get the setup and be patient, we're still golden. Yeah, bro. Yeah. It's only been going up for 3 months, bro. You're looking at the higher time frame, bro. Obviously, we're getting trades throughout these 3 months, bro. I mean, just we literally got 120 points like 2 days ago, and 200 the week before. He's going until January. What's in January? Hopefully, sellers take control here. Hopefully. But we're waiting on it. They want 1,000 points. I don't know if I'll ever hit 1,000 points. Because news at 10:30. That news doesn't really move the market. It's oil news, and Q is not oil. It can probably like move something, but it's not gonna be anything crazy. Like, don't expect anything. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. 600 points, 630 points from what I caught. I don't think I'll ever beat that record. Like, we would have to go into a literal crisis to get 600 points. That's even if we get a setup. So that's out of the picture. Like, we're probably never gonna get anywhere near that ever again. When did I catch it? I caught it August 26th. I remember the day. It was August 26th. I think it was August 26th. It was either August 26th or 27th. But what ended up happening was the Japanese currency just completely died. Like, it just went to shit. And NQ took a hit with it. Obviously, with the currency taking such a big hit, it's gonna react. So luckily for us, we found the setup. I'm like, okay, guys, I don't really care about the Japanese currency. But the setup does look good, so I'm gonna take it. And some news came out, and we dumped like crazy, to the point where in like an hour and a half or 2 hours, the market somehow sold off 600 points, and we were in throughout most of it. Yeah, 600 points is possible for swing traders, but AD, we caught that trade in less than 2 hours. 600 points in less than 2 hours. So post it. It's in the alert channel. If you guys scroll up enough, to August, it's like August 27. No, it was 26. August 26. If you scroll up to that time to that time thing, you guys can probably find the alert there. How much money? Okay, at the time I was trading 5 accounts, and I think I made 1,000 per account. But it was 5 accounts, so it wasn't anything crazy. Now, if I was doing 10 or 20, I'll probably be retired by now. But you know, how do you not go over the profit? Okay, I was forced to sell early. I sold at 300 points, but I told the chat, my guys, if you guys want to hold it, for free too. The alert is all there. You guys can, if you guys don't believe me, you guys can go check for yourself. Go to the futures alert, scroll all the way up to August, and it'll be there. It was like 650, 630 points. But yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna see something like that unless something really bad, which God forbid. Um, if something really bad happens to the economy or to the world, maybe we get something near it. But right now, I don't think so. I don't think so. I really don't think we'll ever get, at least anytime soon. Bro, gear. The thing is, Diego, that doesn't really move the market that much. Like there's rumors that happens, like, oh, like, one thing happened, whatever. No, we caught the Japanese. What is it? Yen. They do yen, right? I think so. Something like that. It was August 1st. No way. Oh yeah, it was August 1st. What? I thought it was like near late August. No, it was August 1st. Okay, well, you guys can see right there. 650 points. Damn, okay, what the hell? So then I caught something on August 26th then. I don't remember what it was. It was probably like 200 points then. It was something. It was your first day here? Bro. Uzi, I don't think we pumped 600 points during election day. Did we? I think it was like 300. Because it was during Asia. So it was like whatever. Everyone was sleeping. David, so if it influences the 15-minute, no, I want to do the 5-minute. I want to do this 5-minute fair value gap. This is the one I'm paying attention to. But right now, what I'm looking for is an MSS to form. So that's what we're waiting for. We already have the sweep, because obviously we're holding below the level. Now what we need is for lower highs and lower lows to start being created. Alright, guys. So that's what we're waiting on. Remember, the fair value gap is still pretty far. It's about like 70 points away. No, it's 50 points away. Okay, not bad. 57 points away. Right? So where would the MSS be? It's not where, it's when. Pretty much all we're looking for right now is just this into shorts, or I mean into fair value gap. This is what we're looking for. A simple MSS. It's not where, it's just when do we get it. You know what I mean? Because we already have the sweep going on. We have drawn liquidity, which is all-time highs. We have the sweep. For now, we're holding. Hopefully, we don't pump above, but you know we were holding below it. Right? As long as we hold below it, we have the sweep. All we need now is the MSS to be confirmed. Once we get the MSS and we have all the selling momentum, all we need is a simple inverse. We get the inverse, we take shorts, we're good to go. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. It's not where, it's when. Yeah, famous words of every time. Wait, what? Yo. But yeah, no. Hopefully we get more. We need more. We need more sellers. Yes, it's trying to sweep as well. We need more. Whatever we have is good, but we need more. And we need it stronger. We need to keep breaking these lows. Do you do more trades on your Discord than RPs? No, I don't. I post the same trades. The only difference is the live. Yeah, like Travel said, it's the live trading. Getting really close to the 50-minute for Radicap as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the hell? I didn't even notice. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same one. Oh yeah. So it's a 2-in-1 pretty much. David, do you ever trim at midpoints of the fair value gap? No, I actually trim as we tap into the fair value gap, because tapping into the fair value gap, there's more of a risk of rejecting anywhere near the think of it as like the sooner the better. You said you will have a wider stop loss when you size light. How many point difference? Like 5 to 10. It depends how much I'm sizing. Obviously, with me sizing light, I'm probably not gonna take as much as a heavy loss as I would if I were to size full, which means I have the ability to give the trade more breathing room, pretty much. So yeah, inverse means opposite direction of a fair value gap. Yeah, so instead of looking for a bounce, we're looking for a rejection. Where do you plan to enter at? Right here, bro. Right here, the bottom of this FVG. That's what we're looking at. It's the 5 and 15-minute one. But yeah. Yeah, the bottom of the fair value is the same. Yeah, which is a very good thing. It's a 2-in-1 pretty much. The more the better. David, did you ever find out what happened with yesterday's trade when you journaled it? No. I didn't journal it too much because I journaled it with you guys, but I told you guys, it's one of those things where like you have the perfect setup and it just doesn't want to play out. You know what I mean? It's just one of those setups. We can't do anything about it. The setup was beautiful. You guys know it. I know it. It's just, it went green, to be fair. Like, it played out. It just couldn't hold up. It just wanted to reverse, and it happens. You know, it could happen today, it could happen tomorrow, it could happen, you know, whenever. The setup can look perfect. It's just, you know, exactly. No one has a 100% win rate. No matter how good the setup looks, sometimes it just won't play out. You know, it just doesn't want to. It's all probability. It's not guaranteed. You know what I mean? And buyers are still trying to step in. Hopefully they don't pull this all the way back into all-time highs again. Hopefully it's just a mini pullback. Remember, guys, these pullbacks right here, it's normal. Remember, we're looking for lower highs and lower lows, right? Obviously, for us to make an MSS, we need to create pullbacks which count as the lower highs. All right. So once again, what we're looking for is something like this. Like, I just want to steadily go down. That's all we're looking for, right? Until we get the inverse. So these pullbacks, as long as we don't break highs, we're good. We don't care about these pullbacks. It's all right. As long as sellers can take control and keep pulling these buyers down, we're good. I don't care how long it takes to inverses. As long as we get it, we're good. All right, guys. It's just gonna take some time. It could take 30 minutes. It could take all day. Who knows? It can even take until tomorrow. Uh, you can help if you put VWAP on your trade chart. Oh, I don't use VWAP, bro. I don't use that stuff. I don't feel the need like I need it. I don't feel like I need it. What if the market dumps fast? More volume. More volume equals more points. So that would be a good thing. We want the market to dump down fast. But obviously, with so much buyers in control, it's probably not gonna happen. Blast, what do you think of spending the payout? Uh, what? Yeah, you don't have to if you don't want to. Every RSI. Bro, that's like the beginner traders type of indicators. The RSI, the MACD, the EMAs, the 9N21. Yeah, those are all. But yeah, I'm really hoping we could just pull back here, like to the downside. What do you think about indicators in general? I don't use them. Um, I would never say that they're bad, but just don't base your trading off just indicators. Like for example, if the RSI is at overbought, you don't just take shorts because it's overbought. You can use it as a confirmation. You know, like hey, we should expect some downside soon, but don't just take shorts because you know you can buy one. Bro, what's up with cheese, bro? But yeah, we got a very nice green to red candle, which is very good. We just need more selling. Guys, when you reset a trade of a blown account, it charges the same initial amount. No, it should charge the I don't know, not too much. I would say just yeah, it'll be the same amount, I think. I could be wrong though. Bro, what? Indicators are all lagging. Yeah, they're all. The thing is, bro. Okay, I don't want to sound like this guy, but okay, hear me out, guys. You guys know we trade based off bank concepts. It's what works. You know, we get a very good understanding of the market thanks to these concepts, right? I hope you guys. I mean, I'm not saying it won't work, but with the concept that we trade and the way we look at the market and everything, I hope you guys don't I hope you guys know that bank, you know, like the algorithm, whatever, you know, the concept that we trade, they don't go on TradingView and search up EMA and put billions of dollars based off a little line. It's not how it works, right? And shit, who knows? Maybe the concept doesn't even work, and you know, it's just probability. But you know, that's my thinking behind it. I don't really like indicators. I don't use them. I don't really find them too useful. So you know. But yeah, we got a little pullback here because news came out, the oil news at 10:30. Yeah, yeah, it came out. It came out. It was nothing. At least I hope it was nothing. I don't use indicators either, but I do have view up on my chart just so I know what it's doing. Yeah, as long as you don't base your trade off just that indicator, you're good. You know what I mean? Like if you could use if you use it like that's what I would do at least. If you can't read a market, naked indicators are confusing. Yeah, that's the thing. Like it depends on your strategy. That's what I'm gonna say. Like they're not bad, but they're also not good. Now, if you're using a buy and sell indicator, then yeah, that's a very big problem. Like, take that off. But that's about it. Your strategy is shit for all-time highs. What can I do about it, bro? Then I just don't trade. Make sure to add in support and resistance. Yeah. Most traders don't trade all-time high. Try explaining that to him, bro. I don't know. I don't know what to say. As a new trader, indicators were just hard to look. No, actually, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. When I first started trading, I try to fill up my chart with as many indicators as possible, just so I can look pretty smart. But I'm sure we've all done it. I'm sure some of you guys are probably doing it as we speak. You know, but um, as you guys go on, you're gonna slowly remove every indicator one by one by one. It's just an event that happens with everyone. In front of the bro. Yeah, you gotta look smart. The Lux all bro, he makes some serious money off those indicators. Like bro, I'm pretty sure he just scripts regular ass indicators like EMAs and he just sells them. Lux Algo, everyone has heard of him. Everyone knows about him. He was a lot more well known back then when indicators were a lot more popular. But yeah, no, bro, those indicators make him some money, bro. I know that for a fact, bro. I'm pocket watching. I don't even care, bro. SJN, bro, you gotta understand, bro. We're not gonna be trading all time highs forever, bro. Just be patient, bro. Like, relax. You keep saying that we're not gonna get anything for months. Like, bro, relax. We're just waiting, bro. You use his sessions. Um. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, got it, got it. I know what you mean. I think last best month was after hitting. I don't know what my best month was. Last month was really good, really really good. Like November was insane. I really like November. Now December, it's all right. It's all right. As long as we're not red, I'm happy with it. You know what I mean? I don't really care. Best month was September. Mm, I don't know about September, bro. Calling it soon? No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Since we're near the setup, I'm gonna wait till something happens. Like I said, if I have to wait all day, I'll wait all day. October was the best. Nah, 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 nah. I've definitely had better. I know August was really good. August was the month where we were getting 100-point trades every day. Why, bro? What? Why are we pumping? Like what? Okay, well I guess we're just gonna shoot straight into all-time highs again. But yeah, no, I would say August was a really good one. If we have 19 accounts on copy trading, how much do we have to size to place a trade of 5 micros? You do 5 times 19. So you would have to do 95 contracts. Yeah, it's 95 contracts. So if you when you put 95, it's gonna split 5 in between 19, pretty much. Why doesn't it? I don't know. Yeah, July was when it broke all-time high. Best month in August. Yeah, bro, you guys don't understand it. Every single trade, 100 points. It was insane. ES didn't even want to react positively. I don't know why NQ is doing all this extra shit. Is January a good month, bro? We don't know, bro. We're not in January. Like what? We don't know. We're in December, bro. We gotta focus on December first, and then January. David, would you let your accounts run past 750? No. I mean, from your experience, oh, I don't remember. But I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Sometimes I don't even know what month we're in, so I can't really answer that. But I'm gonna make sure it's good. You know, I make sure every month is good, always. Because of Trump. Is he already in office? No, right? No, not yet, not yet. What about a break and retest, bro? I don't trade that shit, bro. I don't do that. Trump's January. Oh, okay, bet. All right, then yeah, it might be a good January. Consolidation before the big sell-off. We're waiting. We're waiting on it, bro. Like I said, I'm not getting off until we see it. Oh, I don't think so. I don't know. Does NQ always follow ES? They follow each other. I've been trying to figure out when to size with 10 contracts compared to 7 contracts. It's your level of confidence. If you like to set up a lot, you take it. If you're missing confirmations, you just do light. You do 7, you do 5. You know what I mean? The 100-point trade days will be back. The market comes and goes in waves. Yeah, bro, we know that. We know that. Regardless, but I don't care if we get 10 points. I don't care if we get 100 points. As long as I'm making money with you guys, who cares, bro? You guys gotta learn not to be so greedy. But yeah. Like I said, guys, I'm not getting off until we see the selling. I don't care if I have to stay on till after the market closes. I'm not getting off till we see selling. I need to see it because I'm not gonna let such a good day with so like pretty good volume go to waste. We just need selling. That's all I ask for. It's not that hard. Davis rent too? Yeah. David, does Apex have any discounts right now? Not really. No. I would wait. I would wait. I don't know when they're gonna release a discount. Let me check. Let me check the website. Yeah, no, still nothing. That's surprising. They usually do it pretty soon, but I guess not. Yes, it's leading. No, it's not. Oh yeah. Well, NQ's a lot closer to highs, so NQ is technically leading. But uh, bro, why do you keep saying Powell speaking, bro? No, he's not, bro. This guy has said that like fucking 10 times already. Yeah, I paid $2,000 in court, but what? What'd you do? You invest in XRP? I feel like I wanted to, but you know what it is, bro. Like once you hear it on TikTok, it's already too late. You know what I mean? And that's how I heard about it. So I'm like, well, oh hell no, bro. Bro, was this today? Oh no, it wasn't. I was about to say. Has Krabby caught anything? Wait, I think he did. Oh yeah, he's in longs. How long? Oh, this was 6 minutes ago. What? Oh shit, I didn't even notice. Bet. Let me see something. Hmm. All right. Just got on. If you're gonna set up, 445, 404. No. We have 571, 509 is what I would target. Yeah, 571, 509. Question is when, or I know we're gonna get shorts, but when? I'm not. My eyes are not leaving the screen until we get shorts. I'm telling you guys right now. My eyes are not leaving the screen until we see selling coming in. It's just when, like. Holding you to that? Okay, well, I don't know if I'm actually gonna stay on the whole day. Not literally, but you know what I mean. Make a call to the whales, bro. I am the whales, bro. I just don't feel like selling right now. No, I was kidding. Why do you why did you say it's harded? I'm assuming you meant harder to manage 20 PAs compared to 5 or 10. Well, obviously the harder, you know. What's your ATM settings? I think I have it off. Yeah, turn that shit off. Turn that shit off. But obviously the more accounts you have, the more stress you have on top of you. Especially with about 500 of you guys watching me, it's you know to this day I still get nervous. You guys don't understand. Before I get on live, I take a deep breath. You guys might notice or might realize like when I say guys join up the live, I don't join for like a good like 10, 15 seconds. I'm like okay. I'm like taking deep breaths. I'm like okay, let's do it. All right, and I get on. Cause bro, I get nervous, bro. I get nervous as hell. What do you think of this idea? Let me check it out. Okay, so what do we have here? A fair value gap. This is on the 5 minute, but that fair value gap is Is it a fair value gap? Okay, well it's 30. Okay, I see what you're seeing, but be careful because obviously it's not too big of a candle, so there's not too much imbalance in it, right? But I do see what you see. All right, so you see the fair value gap. You're looking for a bearish move to fill the fair value gap to obviously to inverse it. Look for a bullish continuation after the fill. Wait, I don't. What are you seeing here though? Because you're looking for an inverse, but you're also looking for a continuation, which makes no sense. Um, looking for retracement to the fair value gap for entry to the downside. Okay, I get the idea, but I don't get the idea. You gotta explain it a little bit more to me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Live every morning. Hey, bro. Thank you, James. Thank you, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It gets a little bit hectic sometimes. So I get nervous. It's just the way I am. I can't do anything about it. Yeah, good morning, guys. Yeah, bro. I'll be drinking water. I'll be doing everything. Just. But yeah, guys. Right now, it seems like the market is in a consolidation phase, which is fine. Which is fine. I just hope we don't consolidate all day. But as long as we break below this low, we're good. We just need more selling. We just need more selling. Don't get nervous. We love you. But I love you guys too. But it's a lot of you guys, and I already know. You guys are saying this, like, I'll be seeing like okay. When I put losses, because obviously I'm human, I'm gonna lose. Yesterday was a little bit of a messy day. Who knows, right? When I put out an L, I'll see people in the chat that I didn't even know were in the premium. I've never seen their name, I've never seen their profile picture, and they start talking shit. I'm like, bro, where have you been when I'm putting the wins? You get what I'm saying? Like, bro, like who even are you? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I've never seen you in the chat, and then you're just talking shit out of nowhere. So I guess that's what gets me. That's the shit that gets me. Like, I'm like, bro, like what? Like, I lost. It's okay. Just don't full port. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. The one David has marked out is the same size. Yeah. No. Wait, what? What are you guys talking about? The fair value? This one? Yeah, this one's like 40 something points. Bro, what is this market, bro? Okay, no. To be fair, we are consolidating, so it's fine. It's normal. Yeah, I'm looking at this one. 44 points. Let me see. When we get it as a person, but we need, bro. I stream too. On what? I still get nervous when I think it's a normal thing, bro. It's a normal thing. It's just with you guys, I don't know what to expect sometimes. So, I'm always on the lookout. Would you have considered the fair value conversion at 8:30 on a good? Okay, you gotta keep in mind 8:30 was CPI. So even if it did look good, I was not gonna take it. Even if I was up, which I wasn't, I was sleeping. But no, I wouldn't have taken it just because it's a CPI candle. It's a news candle. It's a gambling candle. Nothing's gonna happen. Like the setup doesn't matter. They don't, you know. But if the one that you're talking about is on the 15-minute time frame, if you're talking about this fair value gap, since we did inverse it, would I have taken it? Yeah, I would have. But I was sleeping, so I wasn't gonna take it. I couldn't take it. So yeah. Now, yeah, price is definitely consolidating, which is fine. It's a normal thing. After such a big push up, it's normal. As long as we have selling, we're good. I don't care what we do. I don't care how long it takes. We just need this. That's all we need. Whoa. I like to paper trade it. That was for CPI, right? You paper traded CPI? Fire. Yeah, that's even shot. What? What? Let's launch on David coin. I mean, I'm not saying no. Nah, I'm just kidding. Do platforms not allow news trading? Oh, they do. They do. Most do. And we're pumping back up. Nice. They didn't. Yeah, they used to not be able to, but they changed it. They're like, yeah, it's more money for us because you're probably gonna blow up your account. So you can just do what you want. So yeah, now they allow it. And it's true though. You're more than likely gonna blow up your account, even if news goes your way. People find ways to blow up their account. I don't get how, but you know. And prop firms know this, so they're like, yeah, you could trade news. We don't care. Because look, sure, you might be able to pass your eval with the news, but the chances of you passing your eval and getting a payout with the way that you're trading, it's not gonna happen. And they know it. They know it. Trust me. Bro, what are we like? We're pumping up and then we just dump down like 2 seconds later. What the hell? Could this just be a small pullback in a bigger bullish trend? Yes, it could. But we also took our all-time high. So with our strategy, we're not looking for a bullish trend. We're looking for a reversal right now. We're waiting for it. So yeah, can it be due to news? What, the chop? No, 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 no. Definitely not. Bro, you can trade news on PA. I know. I said that. I said that. I said that. I said yeah. You used to not be able to, but now you can. They don't care. They let you. They know that you're gonna blow up your account. So they're like, yeah, go do it. And even if you do trade news, it's kind of against you because you can't break that 30% rule. And you guys know how news moves. It moves a lot. So even if you do make money, a lot of money throughout the news, you're probably gonna get your payout denied because you more than likely broke the 30% rule. So the odds are against you. I would rather not do it. Dave, what do you think about the Porsche hybrid? Bro, I hear hybrid. I'm like, let me check it out. In the meantime, I'll wait for this shit. No. Nah, I'm good. I don't like that shit. GG look like a no trade today, bro. We're 1 hour into the market. Just give it time. Give it time. Just trust me. We got CPI? Nah, CPI already happened, bro. CPI happened like 2 hours ago. What's the 30% rule? On Apex, from what I understand, I know the rule is like all over the place. You just can't make a certain amount a day. That's what I've understood. Bro, Cole. Come on now, bro. Hold on, let me send this message real quick. Let me send guys. There you go. C706 is where it's at. I never
Order
liked the C7,
canceled.
but it's been going on to me. I've been seeing a lot more. Just it needs a wide body. That's about it. If not, I'll never look at that car.
Target filled.
Stressing? Nah, bro, I'm chilling, bro. I'm here waiting for the setup. I'm fine, bro. Bro, diamonds. How do you guys even come up with this shit? San Antonias? Oh yeah, definitely. These people stress you? Nah, bro. Honestly, I've been doing this for a while. I'm used to it. Bro, twist. Remember when you Yo, what? No, 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 no. I don't do that shit, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to explain it better. Thanks for yeah, bro. Don't worry, bro. Don't, I'll be here, bro. I'll be here. You already know I read all the chats. So that's an M5. M8. M8 is better. Probably gonna wait till 10:30 then ish then hop off. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Me personally, I'm like I told you guys. If I have to wait all morning for a sell-off to happen, I'm gonna do that. I do not care. I don't like mid-engine. What? What is there not to like about it? How can someone follow all the trades you take and still be red at the end of the month? Who did that? What? Who? You? How the hell? Okay, to be fair, I'll be entering and I'll tell you guys, like on the screen I'll have my stop loss and you guys just put something else. It's like, bro, if you're gonna follow the trade, if you're gonna follow the entry, if you're gonna follow the price target, at least follow the stop loss. It's the point. You know what I mean? Because